Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my affiliate marketing month of June. I'm going to cover everything. I hope this gives you an idea of what it takes to be an affiliate marketer. For me, I believe that it's a good grind to have. It's something that you should be having in your toolbox. And if you want to learn this skill, whether you use it now or use it in the future, I think it's valuable. But I'll leave that up to you to decide. Let's hop onto my computer, share with you exactly the strategy that I'm following and if this makes sense for you or not. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And actually, I'm going to welcome you to the channel for if you're here for the first time. I also want to thank you for all the subscribers that are coming back because I really appreciate it. I see a lot of engagement in general, even on the sidelines that, it keeps growing and growing and growing. And this gives me a lot of energy because at the end of the day, I use this platform and so many of my other social media platforms to create awareness of what affiliate marketing actually is. Guys, I got started with affiliate marketing a long time ago. I had my ups, I had my downs, I had my successes, I had my failures. I made the mistakes that everybody could make because of greed. I went into, chasing the money. I went into the hype. I made all those mistakes and I kept putting the pieces of the puzzle together and finally realized deep within my heart that, I love this industry first and foremost. I will say that upfront. I love this industry, specifically the wealth niche, because there's so many skill sets that you have control over that you're starting, and it opens the door to creativity in so many ways, at least for me personally. Okay, that's what attracted me towards building the skill set of not only marketing. When I say skill set in affiliate marketing, the foundations are really important. But then on those foundations you build up, and I'll give you an example. Let's say that you learn about a sales process. Say that you're learning about copywriting skills. These are high income skills that you're having, which is the foundation of your marketing in itself. Your copywriting is applicable in your promotional posts, in your emails, in your sales pages, in everything that you do actually, because it's related to communication. Yes, copywriting is more the written word, but now it's also applicable to video and so much more because you can then translate that, right? So let's say you have a copywriting process or the skill set that you're learning, and yes, you're using it for a specific niche or specific area in your written form, but you can take that written form and convert that into videos and so much more that all funnels together. So this is a high income skill set, guys. It's not something that everybody can do. And affiliate marketing, as I say, is not something that is for everybody. Neither are the results that you're going to see in this video. I'm just going to transition to that. Neither are the results that you see in this video for everybody. And as I said, I don't want to give you guys the intent that you are going to make this or not. I want to show you the ups and downs. And in June, I had my ups, I had my downs as well. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is a grind. It's a slow grind, but if you invest in yourself, and I don't mean money, I mean time, I mean effort, I mean capability, drive, mindset, all of these things to develop, then you will see a long-term sustainable growth. I'm not here to, I don't like the hype, to be honest. It's something that harms this industry a lot. I don't like the greed aspect as well because people are just looking at, oh, I need to do this to get this results. Yes, but if you're not getting that results, don't blame the strategy. Look at what you're doing and see how you can improve that to include the course learnings or the information that you have received, whether it's a free video, whether it's a course that you've got, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. As long as you are able to convert that. I liked hearing, and I know I'm going on a little bit of a tangent right now, but I liked hearing from some videos and some mentors that I also follow that no course that they have taken has been a bad investment, because at the end of the day, it can be a bad course, but you still learn something from it. You just have to be open enough to learn it. Okay, so those are the kind of people that I want to work with. Those are the kind of people that I want to have an impact on, and I can see you guys coming back for more. So I'm really happy. Last year, with everything else, I was doing a little bit of network marketing. I stopped doing network marketing, and I just focused on affiliate marketing. And then I realized, and this was the moment for me. I'm just going through a backstory just to give you guys a little bit of an understanding. I said, I want to apply the skill sets that I already know. And the skill sets that I already know are specifically copywriting and, well, more on the copy then copywriting itself, and advertising. So let me focus on those two elements right there, and let me improve. I have a long way to go. I have a lot to improve, and I want to take people through this journey with me, but I don't want to be stuck on not applying. So let me get started with this strategy. At the same time, what is important to me? My time freedom, my lifestyle. I've gone through, even personally, I've gone through ups and downs in my life. So I have to have a very structured, balanced lifestyle. And this is what it gives me. So besides my day job, I do also follow this strategy, which is a two-step simple strategy, and is also interchangeable. So for example, I use my leads and secrets as email leads to send out to send an offer, and then I make a sale. I take that sale, that income that I earn, and I advertise with paid advertising to build my email list, my foundation, and everything else. And then I build along the way and stack it up for the long term. So that's the long term vision that I have. If you want to exchange this with having, content, free monetization methods, so you start building a Facebook community, Instagram community, your TikTok community, whatever it is, you start building this organization behind your brand, and then you take it to a sales process. That's absolutely fine. I would still consider that step one, and then you insert all of that into step two and build your long-term email list there. It shouldn't be only on those platforms. You should never depend on only those platforms. Always build your email list. This is something that I say 100%. So that's personally, it's interchangeable. If you're using traffic exchanges, you can do traffic exchanges to an offer and then earn over there and then use that. Even though I would not do it that way, I would rather do traffic exchanges to a funnel, just my opinion. And that's how you grow it. So it's interchangeable in many ways. You just have to be creative enough to decide, okay, how do I implement this cash flow element? What is the purpose of implementing my cash flow element as step one? And then the sales process and funnel and longevity in sales too. Step two. Step two is longevity. Step one is immediate. Okay, that's how I look at it. I use two affiliate networks just to give you guys an understanding. I use WirexApp and affiliate and ClickBank. You can use these as well. There are others that are available depending on your niche and so on and so forth. So these are the two affiliate networks. I will link a video to affiliate network so that you guys can see. And I use a tool called System.io. I'm on the paid plan. If you guys want to get on a free plan or a paid plan, I'll leave those resources in the description of this video. It is by far my favorite tool to use. I can track everything in it. I pretty much build a course in it. I manage my email list in it. And I did it for over a year, guys, absolutely for free. I clean my list. This is something I'm very meticulous about. I clean my list. I don't want inactive people. I don't want people who are not engaged with me, who don't want to listen or be a part of my circle. I want to keep them away. Basically, if they want to, they can come back at any point of time. But if you haven't responded or engaged with me in 2 months, then bye-bye. That's how I look at it. The reason being is I want to be relevant for those people who need it. I don't look at it as I'm putting away people who really, really need it. I'm focusing on the people who actually need it and who pay attention and who respond back and who reciprocate all these actions. So that's where I want to be living and breathing and sharing and giving, okay, the most. Other than that, don't get me wrong, this platform, if YouTube is here for absolutely for free, guys, you can come here and watch at any point of time. I'm going to continue making these videos. You hitting that like button and also, commenting below is good for the algorithm and helps me. I don't ask you to, you're getting this awareness absolutely for free. So I just wanted to share with you this entire structure. Let's get into my results. So I'm going to share the bad first so that you guys can see the bad. And then I'm going to share with you also the positive aspects of it and tell you exactly how much I made in the month of June. So first and foremost, let's go and look at the affiliate networks and we'll talk about a couple of things. So Warrior Plus is the first one that I do use, and in the tracking you'll see MLGS as one tracking, or thank you page is another one, and you can see that I've not only got from my leads and secrets, but I've also got from a document that I have in my funnel. I have got also from my thank you pages. So my funnel is converting. I'm getting conversions on different levels, plus I'm getting conversions on my step one and step two. So both is converting for me right now. Overall, it can be better. I spent the month of June, guys, updating my email list, improving my copy of my emails, improving these things. And now I'm going to give it the next 3 to 4 months of just looking and watching the data and telling me whether my emails are converting the best. Should I change anything? I'm also A/B testing. I'll show you guys this, my landing page, to see which is better. So all of these things are happening on the background to improve those results. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're gonna learn from those mistakes. and improve a long time. That's what I'm personally doing with testing, and I always test. So this is something I just wanted to share with you. Yes, I did get a refund here. It's the first refund that I've got, second refund, sorry, that I've got this year. I got another one in February, I believe, and this is now in June, which is absolutely fine. You know, people are not always gonna get you or exactly what you're doing, and that's absolutely part of the process as well. Don't be afraid or worried by it. Refunds are gonna be there. If there are a lot of refunds, that's the point where I would get worried. But if there aren't a lot, like you can see right here, just one in the entire month, I'm not really worried about things, right? And then I have also that, so that's a Warrior Plus, and for the month of June, as you guys can see right here, I earned 442. Okay, so that's how much I earned. I have all of the details right here, but I just wanted to show you. Okay, now we'll also go to ClickBank. Let's just go to ClickBank. And you can see right here in ClickBank, I made 1, 2, 3 sales because on Sunday, basically, I promote ClickBank and My Legion Secrets as an offer. And you guys can see that it's $54.75. That's how much I earned last month. My Legion Secrets, I earned $54. Now, I'm not sharing with you that right now because I have to log in and so on and so forth. But basically, I earned $54 with My Legion Secret itself. So these three combined, this is what I basically earned. And now my expenditure has been for My Legion Secrets, $30, and for System.io, $27 last month. So the total earnings for the month of June has been $494. Now I wanted to share with you, it would have been more. However, in System.io, you can see that I'm also an affiliate. And if I just show you let's just do this so you guys can see. My all-time earnings is about $160. That's how much I've earned totally with My Legions, with the System.io itself. And this is, I'm not heavily promoting it. Maybe in the future, right now, I'm not heavily promoting it. So I make the one-off sales here and there. It's a tool that I'm using. If you guys want to use it, great. If not, that's absolutely fine. I'm still going to be using it because I built my whole business around it. It's just bonus money as I see it. But in the month of June, and I'm going to scroll here so I don't reveal any email addresses and so on and so forth. You guys can see that in June, I got 2 payments in one day. Now, maybe the person made a mistake by, charging the card twice. It's absolutely fine. So I expected one refund. Let's say I earned only $136. You can see right here that it was refunded pretty much on the 11th. So the person joined on the 7th, tried the tool and realized within, 4 or 5 days that, okay, this tool is not for me. I'm going to refund. Or maybe they saw their card and said, why did I pay for that? Let's, charge back. And they didn't even see the tool. I don't know what happened. But at the end of the day, the person didn't make up the purchase and refunded the amount. So these things happen. But additionally, from this 490, so which would be around $650 more or less earned for the month of June. However, that's not the case. And I wanted to show you guys these things because this is the reality. Okay. Not every month is going to be, oh, success, success, success. I'm transparently and giving you guys the awareness that it exists, right? It's not, you are applying the skill sets of affiliate marketing. What are we doing with all of this entire strategy? Okay. We are building a long-term foundation of an email list, and you can apply this in any niche. Okay. If you want to teach dog training to people, if you want to, I don't know, go in the health and wellness niche, you can do that. You can follow this same exact strategy with so many areas of your life. So that's why personally I am talking to you guys about not just affiliate marketing, but the skill sets, which is advertising and copywriting. Guys, I hope this made sense. No one can guarantee results with affiliate marketing. My personal opinion, it's a slow grind, but it's a grind that's worth it. Yes, I do have a full-time job, so that's supporting me, obviously. But the side hustle income is about $500 this month. That is going to grow over time because I'm setting the foundations right. And I am applying every month the skill set that I'm learning to improve those improve those numbers and get higher conversions. So over time, it's bound to go better. And I hope that this channel also gives you guys the awareness that it can be a slow grind, but stick with it. Okay, stick with it. Don't fall into the hype and make sure that you take those necessary steps. Now, I'm sharing with you my personal journey. For example, I got started at the time with System.io free plan. And now, after a year, I'm gone to the paid plan. Why? Because I want to have more automations in place, because I want to do certain things. So I am on the paid plan. But I got started with the free plan. Stick to where you're at. Don't add burdens to yourself just because you think you're going to do it faster. No, take one step at a time where you are at. Okay. And I know that not a lot of affiliate marketers will share this in this way because they're focused on the sale. Me personally, guys, this channel, as I said, is about awareness. So I would appreciate it if you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, because every single week I will be putting out more training and getting into these details. But I love making these monthly videos because it allows me to spend a little bit more time with you guys on why I'm doing this in the first place. If you like this video, as I mentioned, all the resources are below. Hit that subscribe. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, guys.